Walker, and this is a Marriage Minute. I talked about the fact that one of the most romantic things I did for my wife was started doing the housework, and I've been doing it since 2008, and I do it every year, and every week, and I just got finished doing one of the bathrooms today. This thing about cleaning the house is important for all of us to understand that clutter and messiness contributes to depression in your life, okay? You come into a messy house, an unmade bed, the clothes left around, and it is depressing, okay? And also clutter increases tension in the home, okay? It increases tension in the home and it causes all kinds of things. So please understand that cleaning your house is beneficial to your mind, to your body, and to the relationships in your home. So take it on. Clean up as you go. Do the things that need to be done so that you feel better about yourself and about the house and about your relationships, okay? A clean house is good for your mind, okay? God bless. Thanks for watching.